The biggest Disney fan event of the year is right around the corner. D23 2026 kicks off in Anaheim on August 14th. This biennial flagship conference is where the Walt Disney Corporation takes center stage to drop some of the biggest parks and entertainment news on the planet. D23 2024 was one for the history books, packed with earth-shaking Disney World announcements, many of which are already starting to materialize across the resort. Today, we're looking ahead, focusing on what I personally think will be announced at D23 2026, along with a few wilder wishlist items I hope make the cut. Let's dig in. Part 1. Updates on 2024 announcements. First up, Disney is almost guaranteed to give us progress reports on the major projects announced 2 years ago. In Magic Kingdom, we should get a solid update on Villains Land, possibly revealing ride concepts or dining experiences. It's going to be fascinating to see how Imagineers strike the balance between immersion and family-friendly appeal for these new attractions. Right nearby, construction is already well underway for the new Piston Peak National Parkland. While we already know about the headlining off-road racing ride, D23 should finally give us more details on the second, family-friendly attraction planned for the area. While we know Piston Peak and Villains Land are taking over massive chunks of the park, there's another mystery plot right behind Haunted Mansion where permit activity has been ramping up. Whispers are floating around about either a dedicated Haunted Mansion lounge, an interactive extended queue expansion, or even a ghost-themed dining experience. With the mansion being one of the most iconic dark rides on the planet, giving it an expanded footprint would be a massive crowd pleaser. And I'm sure Imagineers are looking for ways to tie it into the nearby Villains Land. Over at Hollywood Studios, Monstropolis is deep into construction. Since its 2024 reveal, we've learned quite a bit, including details on the groundbreaking door coaster. This time around, I suspect Imagineers will reveal more about the land's dining lineup. We already know the sushi spot Harryhausen's is replacing Mama Melrose, but there's a second restaurant slated for the old Pizzerizzo space that hasn't been detailed yet. Plus, we'll likely get official details on the new show heading into the Glob Theater where Muppet Vision 3D used to be. Rounding out the land updates, we head over to Animal Kingdom. The Tropical America's land is rapidly taking shape ahead of its likely opening in the next year. We're almost certain to get fresh updates here, hopefully including our first look inside the new Indiana Jones attraction replacing Dinosaur. Quick interruption before we go deeper into this rundown. If you are enjoying this video, please hit like and subscribe because your support really makes a difference. Part 2. Updates on ongoing Disney World projects. Before we hit my hot takes, there are 2 ongoing Walt Disney World projects we'll likely see highlighted. Carousel of Progress closed last month and is getting a massive overhaul, including a Walt Disney audio animatronic and a brand new story timeline. Expect to see fresh concept art and show scene sketches. Disney's Lakeshore Lodge is rising rapidly on the banks of Bay Lake, and we've already received plenty of details about this new DVC resort, but I expect a construction update and further project details during the panel. Part 3. Here is where things get interesting. Here are some announcements Disney could make at D23. There's almost zero chance all, or even most, of these get announced, but here are a few wild cards Disney could drop on us if they want to shock the crowd. We start at EPCOT, a park that underwent a massive decade-long transformation, yet was notably absent from the 2024 D23 lineup. I don't know how Disney can go another D23 without addressing the Imagination Pavilion. Journey into Imagination with Figment is drastically overdue for a reimagining. Figment's popularity is at an all-time high, yet his ride has turned into something guests only visit if lines in the land pavilion are too long. Disney needs to throw us EPCOT nerds a bone, show this ride some love, and maybe even bring back the iconic Dreamfinder. Staying in EPCOT, let's talk Spaceship Earth. A few D23s ago, Disney announced an ambitious overhaul, Spaceship Earth, Our Shared Story, focused on the power of human storytelling. While that project was shelved following the 2020 shutdowns, I could see a new announcement about our beloved golf ball this year. And we can't forget the Wonders of Life Pavilion, which has sat mostly unused for decades. Back in 2019, Disney announced the Play Pavilion for this space, but much like Spaceship Earth, 2020 happened and the project was scrapped. We could easily see an announcement about Wonders of Life this year. Over at Animal Kingdom, once Tropical Americas opens, Disney may consider keeping the park open after dark more. Ever since Rivers of Light ended, the Discovery River Amphitheater has been prime real estate waiting for a true nightcap. D23 would be the perfect stage to reveal a brand new nighttime water, projection, and bioluminescent drone show on Discovery River to anchor the park's evening lineup. Near the Magic Kingdom, all the recent infrastructure work and path clearings along Floridian Way have reignited one of the biggest resort rumors in years. A new resort hotel steps away from Adventureland. With Lakeshore Lodge moving fast on Bay Lake, Disney could drop a surprise announcement for a new boutique DVC tower attached directly to the western edge of Magic Kingdom. Let's quickly talk transportation. The Mark 6 monorail fleet has been the workhorse of Walt Disney World since 1989. With maintenance demands growing and massive new lands expanding park footprints, D23 2026 would be the ultimate stage for Imagineering to reveal the next-generation Mark 7 monorail fleet, complete with modernized interiors, updated air systems, and enhanced capacity. For my final batch of hot takes, we head back to Magic Kingdom's Tomorrowland. We may see an announcement about a general Tomorrowland overhaul, given that this land, meant to look to the future, is still sporting remnants of its 1994 retheme. But beyond aesthetics, we are overdue for a more holistic update. Space Mountain remains an iconic e-ticket, but it desperately needs a new track and a technology upgrade. Imagineers could replace the notoriously bumpy dual-track layout with a modern, ultra-smooth single track featuring side-by-side seating, dynamic onboard audio, and updated projection effects. Monsters, Inc. Laugh floor feels out of place now that a dedicated Monstropolis land is opening soon at Hollywood Studios. Stitch's Great Escape has left a prime space sitting completely vacant for years. With a new racing attraction opening up in Piston Peak, do we really still need the anachronistic Tomorrowland Speedway taking up so much prime real estate? With the addition of Tron Light Cycle Run, plus major rethemes hitting Carousel of Progress and Buzz Lightyear's Space Ranger Spin, it really feels like now is the time to do something bigger in Tomorrowland. That wraps up my unofficial D23 Disney World predictions. From updates on new lands and new resorts, major overhauls for beloved attractions and entire lands. This year's D23 is sure to leave a lasting mark on Walt Disney World. What would you like to see announced at D23 this year? Drop your thoughts in the comments and join along in the speculation. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and subscribe to the channel for more Disney World news, nostalgia, and fun.